Hello and welcome. Today I'm working on prompt 9 of Daniela Mellen's Stitch the Season 2025. We're going to be working on the back cover right here. And the prompt for today is ornament. Just look at this. Look at this beautiful fabric. I haven't used this in the book yet, so I think I'm going to use this today to make my ornament. I want to make sure my ornament fits on the back cover, so I will just start by cutting a square, and then I'm going to fold this in half and draw half an ornament shape. This can be round. I'm going to make mine a little bit pointy on the bottom. Thinking this will remind me of those vintage glass ornaments. I think it needs to be slightly smaller. Because I'm going to be stitching around here, and I don't want to be stitching on the ornament. Oh, this fabric is so pretty. I just love the gold shimmering lines. Can you see that? I pulled out a few reds to see what I like better. And I actually think I'm gonna go with this darker color because it kind of matches the lines in this fabric. So I'm going to use 2 strands of that, and I'm just going to do a running stitch all the way around. I used this ribbon on another page of this book. I believe that prompt was image with the tractor. And I thought I could use a little snip of it to make a cap for my ornament. That's nice. I think you get the idea what I'm trying to do here. I'll just do a running stitch all the way around and I'll come back. I'm going to use this little piece of wire to make a hanger. This wire does not want to go in between the layers. It keeps getting stuck, so I'm going to try and round the edges and see if that helps. I think it will. It should make it smoother. It should slide right in after that. I don't remember adding glitter to my project. I want to try and prevent the wire from coming out. So I'm just going to add a few stitches and hopefully I will catch that wire as I go along here. Let me give it a little tug to see if that worked. Yep, it looks good. Now I want to embellish my ornament a little bit. So I pulled out a few things. These are those little buttons that aren't buttons. They don't have a shank on the back or anything, so I'd have to glue those down if I decide to use them. Otherwise, I've got these little felt cutouts. Those are kind of cute, but they don't really stand out, so I'm not sure about these. These little gears could be cute. If I can ever open the bag, then we can see what they look like. I'm not really feeling this design. I have these cute little metal hearts. Maybe I can use those somehow. Let's see. I think the problem here is that the fabric is too busy and none of these little embellishments are really standing out. I may need to add something behind the embellishments. I'm so confused right now. I don't know where I want to go with this. This is a little piece of ribbon from a gift I received. Do you save your ribbons? I think you should. I think this will look really nice. It matches the green in the ornament fabric, and I think it will help the embellishments stand out a little bit more so we can actually see them. Now I'm thinking, should I do a wrap around this book with a little bow on the side? Probably not. I haven't done the cover yet, so I'm not sure this would work out. It is kind of cute though. I think I need to go darker. I'm leaving all this in the video because I want you to see that it doesn't just take 5 minutes to throw these pages together. There is actually a thought process, and you have to, try different fabrics and different embellishments and just play around until you get something you're happy with. I do like this dark blue much better than the green. Another simple yet beautiful page complete. I love all the gold elements in this. It's very pretty. We can hardly even get out of the house. I had to dig a little path to come down so we can shovel. I didn't go for any walks that day, but I managed to get over 13,000 steps and burn 1,300 calories from all the shoveling. That's the edge of my driveway. I'm making my way over there. But look at that.